In this video, we'll look into SQL Q&A part 21. So the question 1 would be, how many employees are there at each organization level? So this is the table, employee table, and we'll order by the organization level. Execute, and total 290 rows here, and we need the organization level, and we have to find how many employees are there at each organization level. There are 4 organization level, then 1 null value. So we have to find the number of employees at each level. But they select from this table, employee table, and we want the number of employees each organization level. So we need the organization level here, and we need the count of star to know how many employees are there at each level. Just alias name is given as and you can as well give number of employees, and we will be grouping by, because at each organization level we group by organization level, and I'll just order by organization level so that we get it in the order of 1 2 3 4, order by organization level. Now if I execute this, so there is null one, that is the CEO, which we have seen. Level 1 there are 6, level 2 there are 27, level 3 there are 66, and level 4 there are 190. So if we sum all of them, we know there are total 290 records table. So if I just copy these and sum it, we got 290. So this tallies with the total number of records in the table. If I put this, you see there are 290 rows. That's how we can calculate the number of employees each organization. Now we'll see the question 2. Find out the age at which hired. So for each employee, we'll find out that age at which hired. So if we take this, let's start from employee, we get all these records. So let us select some of the columns so that there's no need for us to show all the columns. To the star, let's show business entity ID and national ID number, job title, and we have 2 dates, this birth date and hire date. So we'll show birth date and hire date, and now we'll calculate the age. Age at the time of hire date is id date minus birth date in number of years will give you the age. So we have the function date diff of want age in years yy, and we want the dates between birth date and I date. So this is age. Now if I execute this, so we got the age at which height. Say between 1969 and 2009, there are 31 plus 9, 40 years. So that's how we can calculate the age of all the employees using this date function. Next question will be question 3. Who is the oldest male? So we'll select from employee, and we need the oldest male. That means we have to first filter down where gender is equal to M, and oldest male is, we will order by birth date descending. We'll order by birth date ascending. So that the minimum age will come at the beginning. So here we will say top 1 star. If I execute this, so we got this Stephen, North American sales manager. This is the 1951 1017. So he is the oldest male. That's how we can find out the oldest male. Similarly, we can find out the oldest female. Who is the oldest female? So same thing, we can just copy this and make this to F, select top 1 star, and then we have this record, the female, that is 1952 09 27. That's how we can calculate the oldest female. Next question number 4. What is the national ID number which has least number of digits? So in this table, we have to find out the national ID number which has got least number of digits. So let us take this query, select from, so we'll select the fields we need here, select from this table. We need the national ID number, comma, we need the length of that national ID number. National ID number, I'll name it L, and we need the least least number of digits the national ID number that has least number of digits. So we'll order by union of national ID number. Now if we execute this, we know this is 30845 is the has got the least number of digits, only 5 digits, and this has got 7 digits, got 8 digits. So this goes on increasing here up to 9 digits. So least number of digits is 30845, which has got 5 digits. So we'll say top 1 here, top 1 national ID number, comma length. You can as well give length or not, but this is the least national ID number. Just comment this, then we'll get the number. Then I should comma there, then I'll get this number. That's how we can find out the national ID number which has least number of digits. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.